Hi students, this is M. Chanchu Prasad sir. I'm working as IIT Physics faculty. Today we have to discussing one small point, displacement time graph. For explaining this displacement time graph, we require two axes. One is horizontal axis, another one vertical axis, y axis. Intersection of x and y axis is represented by origin. It is denoted by the letter O. Okay, now we have to take the scale on x and y axis. So which one is preferred to x axis, which one is preferred to y axis? Time is taken on x axis, time values we have to take on x axis. What is the reason? Time is a independent quantity. Time is a independent quantity. Due to that reason, so scale of time we have to consider on x axis. But displacement depending on time. Displacement is depending on time. Due to that reason, displacement values we have to consider on a y-axis. Okay, are you understood this point? Here displacement time consider on x, y and x-axis. Okay, so now we have to explain the displacement time graph with different conditions. Condition 1. What is that condition 1? If a body at rest on a table with respect to ground. Just identify that condition. A body is at rest on a table with respect to ground. Okay, so what is that displacement with respect to ground of a position of an object? 2 meters we have to consider. It is a fixed only 2 meters. Okay, the position of an object with respect to ground, how much? 2 meters. Even though time interval gradually increasing, that position fixed only. Okay, so just draw the graphical representation for this condition. X, y axis required for us. Time values we have to consider on x axis. Displacement value we have to consider on a y axis. Okay, so scale of time, first 1 second, after 2 seconds, after 3 seconds, its position constant, after 4 seconds also its position constant. Consider that displacement scale on y axis, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. Okay, here just identify the displacement after 1 second. Displacement of a position of an object with respect to ground, how much? 2 meter. Okay, after 2 seconds its displacement with respect to ground, how much? So 2 meters only. After 3 seconds its displacement 2 meters. After 4 seconds its displacement 2 meters only. Okay, means position of an object does not changes with respect to ground. Its position fixed only. Draw one straight line through these points. Okay, it is parallel to x-axis. The slope parallel to x-axis. Okay, na? Understood? So here displacement time graph slope is parallel to x-axis. Then that slope is represent a body is at rest. Body is at rest. Understood? A body is at rest. You have any doubt? So body is at rest. You have to explain that point. Body is at rest with mathematical explanation. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to formula for slope. Okay, just we have to divide in two conditions. Okay, tan theta slope. So tan theta is equal to ds by dt. It's nothing but velocity. Velocity is equal to tan theta. What is the slope angle? Slope angle theta equal to 0 degree. Slope angle theta equal to 0 degree. Substitute v is equal to tan 0 degree. Therefore v is equal to tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value how much? 0 meter per second. Therefore velocity equal to 0 meter per second. Then body at rest. Yes or no? Therefore body at rest. A body is at rest. Understood? Next one, formula for slope. And in another way we have to explain this condition. Formula for slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 value fixed only. Displacement have to represent s2 minus s1 divided by t2 minus t1. s2 value how much? s2 value 2 meters. s1 value 2 meters. t2 value 4. So 4 minus 0. Yes or no? 4 minus 0. Therefore 0 by 4, that is equal to 0 meter per second. So displacement, time graph, slope is represent velocity. Don't forget, not point. Displacement, time graph, slope is represent velocity. Displacement, time graph, slope is represent velocity. Okay, so formula for slope equal to ds by dt equal to velocity. Okay, understood? Okay, here velocity formula equal to s2 minus s1 divided by t2 minus t1. Understood? Do you have any doubt? No doubts for you. What is the slope angle for this graphical representation? 0 degree. Tan 0 degree value how much? Tan 0 degree value equal to 0. Therefore velocity equal to 0. Then we have to identify the body is at rest. Okay, are you understand these points? Do you have any doubts, students? No doubts for you. On few seconds we have to observe this video.